Coperion's compounding systems has proven success in the market for many years. With its unique expertise, along with the entire process chain, Coperion has developed several pre-configured compounding line designs for the needs and requirements of Asian customers. After continuous communication and understanding, we think Coperion's solution is the best and most advanced. In particular, Coperion offers the ability to integrate a complete solution. With Coperion's customized design for the compounding lines, and GAN built the factory later on, GAN was able to optimize the workshop layout. Based on our comprehensive comparisons, we believe Coperion's smart compounding line is the best and most suitable design for us. These lines are configured, completely engineered, and verified for different engineering plastics processing applications. The first-class technology covers all process steps, from raw material handling to feeders, compounding, strand pelletizing, as well as conveying and bagging solutions. The optimum design of each smart compounding line meets the individual product requirements of our customers. Our customers benefit from the unique interaction of numerous disciplines. This starts with raw material receiving and storage, through to discharge, pneumatic conveying, additive handling, and recipe management. Based on the extensive know-how collected by Coperion, the dedicated focus for these smart compounding lines was on user-friendly design and improvement of the working conditions for the operators. When it comes to highly accurate weighing and feeding, Coperion Catron offers a variety of configurations to create an optimal solution for any application. The Coperion STS-MC compounder sets new standards in higher throughput rates, better compound quality, and it incorporates the full process and quality know-how of Coperion. The automatic transfer of strands from the extruder die head to the pelletizer via a cooling water chute ensures safe and reliable transport to the Coperion strand pelletizer, where cylindrical, dry, and easy-to-handle plastic pellets are produced. The smart compounding line concept also comprises a high level of automation with digitalization features and an optimized handling of products to maintain a clean production area. This also includes fully automatic bagging and pelletizing systems for the efficient handling and logistics of finished good materials. Domestic enterprises have been growing rapidly in recent years. They hope to apply the most advanced technologies and concepts to their production. After intense communication, we learned that GAN wanted to develop their factory into the most advanced modern factory. Therefore, we recommended Coperion's innovative smart compounding line for them. Our take is that an excellent company must grow with the market, and our smart compounding line is developed based on demand trends in the Chinese market.